Turn air massage on by pressing the on-off button as shown. Air bath starts at a reduced intensity. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the intensity of the air bath. Press and hold the button to make the change. To activate the pulsation mode, press the button as shown. Pressing the button again cycles between the wave, pulse, and steady modes. The steady mode is at 100%. Press the on-off button to turn the system off. Once the tub is drained, the light will flash to indicate the 7-minute countdown to the automatic purge has begun. After 7 minutes, the light will stop flashing and the blower will turn on. To postpone the purge for another 7 minutes, press the on-off button. When the purge begins again, you can cancel it by pressing the on-off button. The entire purge cycle takes approximately 1 minute. To activate the 24-hour mode, press and hold the plus button for 5 seconds. The lights will flash twice to confirm the change. The 24-hour mode will purge the air system every day at the same time that the mode is activated. Choose a time that is convenient, such as when nobody is home. To return to the standard 7-minute delayed purge cycle, repeat the procedure. The lights will flash once to confirm the change.